Unleash your creativity with stunning models that inspire and captivate audiences everywhere. Every intricate detail matters, transforming ordinary scenes into extraordinary visual experiences. Think about how these resources can elevate your projects beyond your wildest expectations. Intellectual property is crucial. Understanding licensing ensures your work projects professionalism and respect. Editorial use only. It's a reminder that responsible creativity fosters trust and compliance. Imagine infusing life into your stories with stunning visuals that leave a lasting impression. Creative freedom presents opportunities, but it comes with the responsibility of adhering to use restrictions. Navigating these waters requires awareness. Knowledge is power in the creative industry. Embrace the challenge and innovate within the boundaries set by intellectual property laws. Elevate your storytelling, step into a world where creativity and responsibility walk hand in hand.